In this video, we are going to create the spare parts master manually. To create the spare part master, we will go to the master, and in the master, we will go to the spare parts. In the spare parts, we will avoid the equivalency field. Then we will enter the part number for the product. We will give the description of the product. We will give the cost price. If you do not give the markup, the selling price will be set as the cost price. Should you give the markup, it will give you the selling price 25% more than the cost price. If you set the selling price directly, it will change the markup. Now if you set the department here, since the department has accounts assigned to it, it will change your revenue account and the cost of goods account. Say I set mechanical, it changes to what is set for the department. We can assign the category spare parts. By default, it is already set for you. Then you can assign the subcategories you've created and also assign the subcategories for this. Now we have the brand here. We can select it as NA, which is not applicable, or you can set a specific brand for the spare parts. In the minimum quantity report, you can set the minimum quantity for which you would need the report to show you that you need to order these materials. You can give the row number, you can give the shelf number, but it is not mandatory. And then should you have a specific supplier for the item, you can select the supplier. For now I'm leaving it blank. If you purchase this particular item from different suppliers, you can just leave it and select and then save. Once you save, the item is saved in your list. Should you need to search, you can put the part number here, search for the part, you will get the part here. So that's how you create the spare part in the spare part master manually. Please note that the spare parts is automatically saved from the job card when you enter it as a new part in the job card. This is how you create the spare part. Thank you.